1, 2, 3.
Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, I'm very happy today. We are the best to roam the world. Mr. Fira and then Mr. Fani, including Mr. Fatan, the best teacher or the best friend, new friend. I mean, you know what? Just knew him a couple months ago. But very easygoing people, very awesome people. Right, I would like to share something about our topic today. We call about is preparing to get this in mind this year. You know, every single year, every single 15 months, like last year, a couple years ago, 5 years ago, you know what? I always do the same thing again and again. Like the family say, just not deciding Quran. Even though I don't finish all of that, you know, such as juice, you know, like that's only half a juice, 15 juice, 10 juice, you know what? And then do charity, and then pray together with our mosque. The first night, the other mosque, second night, the other mosque, and then the last night, the other every mosque. But I have enough time. I don't have motorbike to go with my friend everywhere. I have to choose nearby my house. Exactly. Alright. This preparing for this fasting month, you know, like ministry say for religion, ministry say for government. When you got praying in your house or in your home, you don't have to go outside, just inside with your family or your neighbor. Exactly, I don't disagree, I don't dealing with that statement, but you know, I do love for going outside and then doing invite a lot of friends to pray together in the mosque like music. Exactly, I do love, you know, sometimes I increase my English, then my languages, Esperanto, Spanish, that's memorizing, you know, about vocabulary, and then praise, and then the common expression, and then about, you know, the common expression in Arabic language exactly, because, you know, I do love learning Arabic in fasting month, because, you know, I got a lot of, you are regarding God, and then from God Allah Ta'ala is very awesome, and then increase my knowledge about history. Actually, history exactly further about the kingdom, and then the last one, Indonesian history very important. I mean, when I got a friend from United States or not kingdom from Europe, I can explain that about history. But now it's teenagers don't care about history because you know what they don't. Those people who doesn't know anything about their culture, they lose their identity about afraid of speaking Chinese language. I have no doubt about that. So how the way I'm going to change that mindset? Because teenagers nowadays they almost forgot about their identity. They just can speak bahasa Indonesia. I don't be false for every single people. I don't judge every the father, mother for those parents. No what no. But please don't lose your identity. That's for the first thing in your life. Each other as Chinese people speak Chinese people. For Japanese people, Batanese, you can Batanese or bahasa Indonesia. That's fourth. You are Chinese, you have to speak bahasa. That's the important thing. You know what? Don't listen to it. Just because the last, all the way improve, accent, very important for me. I want to focus for mastering 53 states in the United States, exactly, of America, and I'm going to increase, Scotland accent. And this accent is very awesome because sometimes I get from here, a little bit hard understanding about Scotland accent because the point is mastering this word. Alright, that's my time. Let's speed it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.